Blank means little organ and are the parts inside a cell that carry out actions that keep the cell alive. Cell wall, organelles, chloroplasts, vacuoles. Plants have a rigid blank. Cell wall, organelles, chloroplasts, vacuoles. A blank are in both plant and animal cells. They are used to store supplies and wastes. Cell wall, organelles, chloroplasts, vacuoles. Blank contain a green pigment called chlorophyll. Cell wall, organelles, chloroplasts, vacuoles. Blank are the only living things on Earth that can make their own food. Humans, plants, animals.